Okay, this is how you buy a railway ticket from Zurich to St. Gallen. It says in English. See, please search the screen. And you can choose down here, English. Okay. And you're from Zurich Flughafen, that's the airport. And you don't have St. Gallen here, so you have to go down here. Oh wait, it's the departure. Okay, from Zurich Flughafen. Okay. And now, oops, I blew that. Okay, from Zurich Flughafen to St. Gallen. There we go. And via Winterthur, which is the fastest way. And it's one way. And I'm going first class so I can use the power. Half tickets for like Kyle, and full tickets for any of us. And then you press next. And you say valid from today. And I gotta pay. Just have to take a card. Oops. That's it. Oh, down here I always put a receipt. Okay, that's it. Now, a minute, so the train tickets look like this. Okay, it says where you're going on top, where you're from on top, and where you're going on the bottom. Okay. Now there are other tickets too, that passes which they punch, but this ticket they don't punch because it's only one use. All right, and that's it for my video about how to buy a train ticket and drop everything when you're doing it. See ya.